Nimehaririria mauthondeki weru wa kiaro kia Nyayo guku mucii wa Nairobi ari kimwe kia iharo iria cierigereirwo gutabanĩrio hitaitano cia CHAN mwaka uyu. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya mathako Kirimi Kaberia ni areganite na muhuhu wa kuga ati aruti wira ni macirithirio mishara yao na gucungiriria gwikururia kwa waki wa iharo ici.
The part of money, if there was a delay in the payment, it was in the processing, and that could have been probably 2 to 3 weeks at most that we could have lost in relation to processing of funds. But as is right now, we're back on track. As you can see, the works are ongoing both here and other places, and we look forward to taking you not only here to all the other places so that you can see for yourself and tell us, okay, when is this process going to end, and we can give you actual timelines.
Kabuni iria cietwo kandarathi ino ciri na nginyagia mweri wa kana kurikia waki wa kiharo giki undu kingihuthika.
We have agreed that by the middle to the 3rd week of March, they must give me the keys to this place. For the outside part, the parking lot, the water system, the drainage, they give me that in a month or 3 weeks. Within the next 3 weeks, you can actually use the parking spaces in this stadium. The inner spaces will take slightly longer than that. On the pitch itself, we are looking at the last week of March, 1st week of April to play a game.
Mweneni wake mwene kandarathi uthondeki wa kiharo giki Chandresh Babaria ni atariirie mamwe ma maria meregereirwo ni guthondekwo mbere ya mweri wa kana.
And if you go surround the stadium, most of part is done, finishing part. Like all changing rooms are done, all public toilets most of are done. So what is remaining is just parking areas, internal channels and front side main building. That is the major work is remaining. Otherwise finishing work for changing rooms, players, everything is done.
Iharo igita Kinoru Stadium kiria kiri county ya Meru, kiaro gia Kenyatta county ni ya Machakos, kiaro ini gia Kipchoge Keino county ya Uasin Gishu, rodumwe na kiaro gia Kasarani guku Nairobi ciri mutaratara-ini uyu. Thutha wa kiaro kia Nyayo gukorwo kiigitwo gwa kahinda ka mieri 5 riu kumana na mehaririria ma hitaitano cia CHAN mwaka uyu na kuria bururi worirwo ni mweke wa gutabania mbitika ici no gacunje kanini tukawira karikite thiini wa kiaro giki. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Mwihaki wa Ndogo.